Welcome to Sim Code. Help this channel grow. Like this video, hit subscribe, and let's build a coding community together. In C++, data types define the type of data that a variable can store. Each data type specifies what kind of value the variable can hold, example, numbers, text, etc., and the operations that can be performed on it. Understanding data types is crucial for writing efficient and error-free programs. C++ data types define the kind of data a variable can store. They are essential for managing memory and performing operations efficiently. Primitive data types, int, stores whole numbers, for example, 25. Float, stores single precision floating point numbers, for example, 3.14. Double, stores double precision floating point numbers, for example, 5000.75. Char, stores a single character, for example, b. Bool, stores true or false values. Char_t, stores wide characters, for example, Unicode. Modifiers, unsigned, represents non-negative values. Signed, default for int, allows both positive and negative values. Long, short, modify the size of integer types. Derived data types, arrays, collections of elements of the same type. Pointers, store memory addresses. References, aliases for other variables. User-defined data types. Struct, groups different data types. Class, like struct, but with added functionality like methods and data encapsulation. Enum defines a set of named integer constants. Constants, const, declares variables whose values cannot be changed. Constexp, used for values that can be computed at compile time. The goal of this C++ example is to demonstrate the use of essential C++ concepts such as variable declaration, data types, for example, int, float, double, char, bool, string, arithmetic expressions, arrays, pointers, references, functions, and constants. It showcases how these elements work together in a program, such as calculating the area of a circle using a function, performing arithmetic operations, iterating over an array with a loop, and utilizing pointers and references to modify variables indirectly. The example illustrates practical use cases, including managing personal information, age, salary, grade, manipulating values through references, and printing results to the console, providing a comprehensive overview of fundamental C++ features and their functionality in a real-world context. Standard header to use input-output operations. Standard header to work with strings. Allows direct access to the standard library without prefixing std:. Function declaration. Function to calculate the area of a circle. It takes one parameter, radius of type double, and returns a double, the calculated area. Logic. Using the formula for the area of a circle. Variable declaration and initialization. An integer variable age storing a person's age. A floating point variable height storing a person's height in feet. A double variable salary storing salary with decimal precision. A character variable grade storing a single character. A Boolean variable is employed indicating employment status, true equals employed. String variable for person's name. An expression, adding two integers and storing the result in sum. Array example, an array of integers. Pointer, declaring a pointer variable ptr to point to age. Reference. Ref is a reference to the variable salary. Function call, calling the calculate area function with an argument radius. Output, printing values to the console. Output the person's name. Output the person's age. Output height with units. Output salary with dollar symbol. Output grade. Conditional output for employment status. Output the sum of two numbers. Output area of circle. Loop to print all scores from the array. Output each score in the array. Pointer and reference demonstration. Output the memory address of age. Dereferencing the pointer to get the value of age. Output the salary using reference ref. Modify ref, and thus salary, through reference. Changing the value of ref will update salary. Output the updated salary value. Indicating successful execution of the program. Now run our code. For more videos,